We're working on a project in Leadership Club. It's basically to help the homeless.
Each month we change projects, and we wanted to help the homeless because they have no home and nothing, they don't have anything.
It's gonna make them feel like they're not alone and that people actually care for them.
Hand warmers, a water bottle, hand sanitizer and wipes, and gloves, and toothbrushes and toothpaste.
I think they'd appreciate it because they don't have all the money that they need and they didn't become homeless on purpose.
Even though somebody's homeless doesn't mean that they're anything bad, doesn't mean anything. It just means that they probably didn't have enough money or something, but you can always be kind even though they're